Oh, where is Mr. Bone? Hello, Mr. Bone. How are you, Mr. Bone? How are you, Mr. Ducky? How are you, Mr. Ducky? All right. I'm so happy to see you guys smiling together with your toys. Oh, wait, I also have mine. Where is my toy? Toy is gone. Oh my gosh, my toy is gone. All right, since my toy is not here. All right, so Mr. Decky and Mr. Bone, are you ready to start with our class today? Okay, so how are you, by the way? Are you happy? Okay, so teacher will be sharing the screen. Okay, I am B. Okay, so teacher will be sharing the screen, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so teacher will be sharing my screen right now. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so now we are. Okay, but before that, let's watch some video first before we start with our class today. So let's sing, okay? All right, so teacher will be looking this one right here.
Stop sharing. Pop. Pop. Open song for cha-cha. For
All
class.
right. Okay, so we have here the hello song. Okay, let's sing.
Hello, everybody. How are you today? It's time to move your body and learn and play. Hello to my teacher. How are you today? I am gonna listen to what you say. Hello to my friends. How are you today? I am gonna share my toys with you today. Shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no. Shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no. Lift your arms up. Put your arms down. Lift your arms up and shake it all around again. Up. Put your arms down. Lift your arms up and shake it all around. Bend to the left. Bend to
Bend to
the
the
right.
right,
Bend to the
to the
left.
left.
Bend to the right. Hello, everybody. How are you today? It's time to move your body and learn and play. Hello to my teacher. How are you today? I am gonna listen to what you
You
say.
say,
Hello to
hello,
my
how do you do?
friends. How are you today? I am gonna share my toys with you today. I hope everybody will have a good day.
All right. So aside from that, let's try to listen to a next song. So then, Finger Family song. Okay, so we have here the Finger Family song, and here you go.
Yay.
Welcome to Kids Academy.
Daddy finger, where
Where
are
are
you?
you?
Here
Here I am.
here
Show your
I
hand.
am.
Show your
How
fingers.
do you do?
Okay, show your fingers.
Mommy finger,
Mommy finger, where are you?
Here I am.
How do you do?
Brother
Finger,
finger, where are you? Here
Here I am.
I am.
How do you do? Sister finger, sister finger.
where are you? Here I am,
Yep.
How do
Do
you
you do?
Baby finger, baby finger, where are you? Here I am, How do you do?
Oh, ingna ko kay di ba ako makabaw. Alright, so show me your hands, everyone. Okay, so now let's continue. So let's proceed with this one. So listen and point to the words, listen again, and say the word.
Page 22. Communicate. Words. A. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words.
Hamster, goldfish, bird,
Birds. Okay, can
rabbit,
rabbit,
lizard,
lizard,
kitten,
kitten,
hamster,
hamster,
goldfish,
goldfish,
bird,
bird,
rabbit,
rabbit,
lizard,
lizard,
kitten,
kitten. All right, so now baby Kai and baby Rick, what animal is this? All right, okay, baby Kai and baby Rick, what animal is that? Okay. Oh, no, this one first, baby. This one. Can you see it? Oh, is that a hamster or a rabbit? Are you sure? This one right here? The fourth picture. Yes, baby, the fourth picture. This one. Okay, it's a rabbit. How about this one? What is this? It's a... It is a... No. This one, baby. The first picture. Hamster. Okay, how about... Uh-oh, you saw it already. Okay, how about the last picture? What is that? All right, it's a kitten. Okay, how about the second picture? What is that? Goldfish. Okay, how about the fifth picture? What is that? Okay, the fifth picture, baby. What is that? Okay, it's a lizard. All right, so how about the third picture?
The third picture is
The third picture is... It is...
bird.
All right, a bird. Okay, so now, baby, let's proceed. Look at the pictures. Match the owners to their pets. So, baby Kai, I want you to answer 1, 2, 3. And baby Rick, I want you to answer 4, 5, 6. Okay? Again, Kai, 1, 2, 3. And next one is 4, 5, 6. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Cầm lại thứ. Where's the loser?
Okay, can you answer it already, baby?
No,
Oh, why?
I don't know.
Okay, you just need to look at the picture, match the honors to the pet. Okay, for example, this one. So the hamster lives on this one. So this is the hamster's home or owners. So now, baby Kai, I want you to answer the rest 2 and 3, and baby Rick 4, 5, 6. Okay?
Okay. Where is uh
How about the second one? What is that?
gold?
Okay, so what do you think is the second one, baby? The second picture.
Yeah, yeah, 1, 2, 3.
What? Okay, what's that? Do you think it's the home or the owner of a bird? Okay. Which one there is the owner of the goldfish? Of the goldfish.
Anyway, you always.
The goldfish, baby.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Teachers. Mm-hmm. Change it back down. Okay.
Okay, how about the second one? Who is the owner of that one?
The draw. Hmm.
Okay, so where does the goldfish live, baby?
I can't see well.
You, can you see my screen right now?
Wait. Yes.
Okay, so you can see the pictures. We have an options right here from 1 to 6. So you just need to write where does they live. Okay, so where does the goldfish live?
I don't know.
You don't know? So the goldfish lives in the aquarium or this one, the fish tank. How about the how about the bird?
Okay.
Okay, how about the bird? Okay. How about the bird, baby?
Dragon.
Okay, the bird lives in the. Okay, right here on the number 4. Okay, what do you call this one?
Hmm.
Okay, so how about the kitten? Okay, how about the kitten, baby?
Dragon.
Okay, how about the kitten?
Hmm. I listen in photo.
Okay, the kitten lives on the. Okay, can you try to answer number 1 and 2, baby Kai and baby Rick? Okay, baby Kai, can you answer number 1?
Okay.
Okay, baby Rick, can you answer number 2? Baby
How?
Rick, are you there?
Yeah.
Uh, okay. Hello?
Đừng nói dối này.
Hello, babies?
Đầu tiên chắc chắn là tự làm.
Hello? Are you there? Oh, your mic is on mute. I cannot hear you. Hello,
Yeah.
baby Kai. And all right. Okay, so now how about the lizard? Where do lizard live, baby? Okay, where do lizard live? Okay, how about the lizard? Okay, how about the rabbit? Oh, is baby Kai still there? Is baby Kai still there, baby? All right, I cannot hear you guys. You guys are on mute.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's continue already. Okay, so listening. Do your friends have pet? Which pets do they have? So first lesson, which of these are they talking about? Families, friends, or pets?
Page 22. Communicate. Listening. C. Which of these are they talking about?
Okay, which
Families,
are these are they
friends,
talking
pets.
about?
1,
This is my friend Abby and me. She's 7 years old. That's her kitten. Her kitten is small. We play together.
2,
That's my friend Sam and me. Sam is 8 years old. He has a bird. It's green.
3,
That's my friend Maria. She's 8 years old. Look at her lizard. We have fun together.
4,
Jack and I are good friends. He's 7 years old. Those are his goldfish. He has 3.
Okay, who is answering this one? Is this baby Kai or baby Rick?
Rick.
Okay, Rick. Okay, how about you, baby Kai? Can you answer it? Listen again and number the pictures.
D. Listen again and number the pictures. 1,
This is my friend Abby and me. She's 7 years old. That's her kitten. Her kitten is small. We play together.
We play together. Okay, number 2.
That's my friend, Sam and me. Sam is
Thank you
8
so much
years
for
old.
using the blue and the
He
red
has a bird.
pen.
It's green.
3,
That's my friend Maria. She's 8 years
Maria.
old. Look at her lizard. We have fun together.
4,
Jack and I are good friends. He's 7 years old. Those are his goldfish. He has 3.
Okay, all right. So thank you so much, Baby Kai and Baby Rick. Okay, so Baby Kai, what's your favorite animal? Okay, what is your favorite animal, baby? You are on mute, baby. I cannot hear you, Baby Kai. Your mic is on mute. Okay, what's your
Fish.
favorite animal? Okay, fish. All right, so do you have a fish right in your home? How many fish do you have, Baby Kai?
1.
Only one? What does your fish have a name?
No.
Oh no. All right, how about you, Baby Rick? Do you have a favorite pet?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. So what's your favorite pet, baby?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay, so if given the chance to have a rabbit, what would you like the name of your pet? If given the chance, baby, to give a name on your pet, what would it be? Baby Rick? Hello?
Yes.
All right. Oh, Hashu?
Yes.
Oh, how about you, Baby Kai? If given the chance to give a name on your pet, okay, your fish pet, what would it be, Baby Kai? Okay, what do you like to give? Uh-huh.
Wait for me.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, what's the name of your pet, Baby Kai?
Wait.
Okay, okay, okay. Ducky? The name of your pet fish is Ducky?
Yes.
Why is it Ducky when it's a duck? It's a fish.
Okay.
Why is it Ducky? It is a fish, and then you are going to name it Ducky. Are you sure with that?
No. No.
Okay, do you want to change the name of your fish?
Yes.
Okay, so all right, so what's the name of your fish? What's the name of your fish? Bone?
Yes.
Okay, why bone?
Bone.
Oh, Ducky Bone. All right, so if you have a pet, say hi to your pet and say hello, Hasho. Can you say hello, Hasho?
Okay.
Okay, let's say hello, Ducky Bone. All right, so for today, Baby Kai and Baby Rick, I can no longer extend our time since we are all done with our 25 minutes today. So I hope that you learned something. So assignment. Okay, assignment, baby. I will be giving you an assignment. I want you to draw. Oh, what's that? What's that? You are sharing your screen?
Yes.
Oh, what's that? It's that a Mobile Legend?
Yes.
Oh, do you play Mobile Legend?
Yes.
I also play Mobile Legend. All right, so baby Kai and baby Rick, assignment. I want you to draw. I want you to draw your toy. So baby Kai, it's Mr. Bone, right?
Nghe chưa?
Oh, reading my
Okay.
book about my phone. Okay, so Rick, I want you to draw Ducky, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so for today, baby Kai and baby Rick, thank you so much. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Do your assignment, okay?
Yes.
Okay.